New phone, who dis? Ooh, we got some action. Let's get a mic check 1, 2. Let's get a mic check. Damn, closed down into the 14s. That was amazing. Did it? Oh. Let me get a mic check 1, 2. It looks good to me. Wow. That was spectacular. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hi. My name is what? My name is who? My name is. Okay. This was a spectacular sequence, right? Wow. Hello, ladies. Boom. Look at this. Look at the. What? And then look, here's your signal, right? So if you see this and you're not sure, watch. Where's the record button? If you see this, okay, if you're not sure if you're supposed to go long, okay, over here, let me just show you this right here. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to wait for it to go down like this. You go down to your structure level, your context level, Mr. Martin, right? See this? That's what we call what? The 3-bar play. 3-bar play, you're like, well, I'm not sure. Okay, well, they absorbed him. No. Okay, watch this. Watch. Where's your signal? Watch. And you're off to the races. Listen, so many of you are trying to take only the winning trades. You can't just take winning trades. It doesn't work that way. I hope that helps. I'll see everybody. Peace. All right, there's 1 minute, Elijah, 1 minute, 3 seconds. Just edit 2 seconds out of it or something like that. Guys, I just gave you all the everything. When I'm looking up, watch. When I look up, the mic gets quieter. But see if I'm looking at my screen, it's the right volume. And if it's only not loud for you, it's you, not them. It's you, not me. All right, how does the cam look, fam? What do you think about that? Nice, Al. Nice, Al. That's a good one, buddy. You. Al's posting some trader porn, some chart porn. Good. We have a lot of buying going on here. Okay, let's take a step back. And let's go to the larger time frame. Happy Monday, everybody. Hold on a second. I can't trade for a few minutes. I have to do a walk. I am going to go through the charts. Here's the plan for the morning. First and foremost, I am not in any hurry to make a trade. I am up 1,600 already. Okay. Now, second thing is you shouldn't be in a hurry even if you're down 1,600. It shouldn't matter. I have to take a walk. Okay. And I have to listen to some more Metallica. It's Monday. It's mandatory Metallica Monday. I can't trade while I have music in my ears. Not anymore. Okay. Have you seen my baseball? Have you seen my baseball? Franken beans! Oh, let's get... Okay, so... Larger time frame, outside narrow range. Mancini is very bullish. Just so you guys, those of you that don't know, look at this right here. 1, 2, 3. Look at how perfect it is. Look at how perfect it is. All right, so now you're watching Friday's high. Is it right? Friday? Who knows? When you have 17 holidays in a row, it's hard to tell. So 69.40 on the March contract you're locking in. We're seeing what they got going on. There is a tiny fair value gap right above it. You guys see it? Looky, looky, looky. I got hooky. This is in play, fam. Okay. Do they buy it or sell it? Do they accept it or absorb it? That's what I'm waiting for. We've got 8.5 minutes till the opening bell. I am bullish. Give me a pullback. Now, the only red el flaguito, okay, is there's external liquidity on both sides of the open and the close. Do you guys see that? Yeah, silver, that does not look good. Thank you. I appreciate that. We've got something really cool to look at today also, guys. I've got some comic books that all of you might like from when I was a kid. I worked at a comic book store, so I've got some, yeah. The reason for the comic books, Elijah, this is what I didn't show you. I've got the shirt on, and I'm going to reveal that. Huff made a collaboration with McFarlane. So there's some McFarlane shirts floating around, fam, and you're not going to want to miss them. If you're a Todd McFarlane fan, if you know who that is, you know who that is. Spawn. Pretty much the highest honored comic book artist on the Marvel side. Yeah, who typed that in? Joey. Traders, we have a Discord. We have a free Discord if you didn't know, and they nail it, guys. Listen. I pat myself on the back. I'm pretty good, right? These guys are savage, right? You got G-Man over there. You got Joey over there. You got Bongani Lewis over there. You got Eric over there. Eric's in here too, but he's also over there. These guys are crushers. Now, the 4 hour. And notice how I'm a little bit not focused. Okay. Think about if I placed a trade right now, not really focused. I don't have any music in my ears either. So think about that. Just think about that. And what I want you to watch is when you see me in a trade, okay, watch the difference in my focus, because here's what I am going to explain. Okay. Focus is the plane that all of you are missing that are yet to be profitable. You think you're focusing, but I'm telling you, it isn't what you think it is. The focus is different than what you think it is. Okay? What I want you to do, all of you, I want all of you to do this. I want you to go back and I want you to think about the most important test you ever took in your entire life. The one where there was no effing around, you didn't find out. Okay? Every trading session is that important. If you're not focusing like that, you're not trading. It's not these guys are going to take your money. You're going to give me your money. Stop doing that, right? So what we want to do is we want to use the fourth plane or the fourth dimension, like Dr. Steenbarger talks about, right? He's a psychologist. I'm not. I'm just going off of his words, right? There's a fourth plane that people don't talk about. It's called focus. I cannot take a trade right now. I have no tape count. Okay, you guys can see I'm wide-eyed screwing around, or squint-eyed screwing around, because you'll see when I get serious, it looks like I'm staring at the screen, but it's only because my eyes are going bad because these goddamn lights. All right, on the 4 hour, look at the mess we have going on here. Plain and simple. Exterior liquidity right here. Look. See this flag mast? So 42. Okay, 40 to 42. Here we come. Did Bitcoin keep going? Good. Next target is 44, 94. But it looks like it's going to take the whole thing out. That's okay. I can't do anything about it. They finally approved me to be on that Femex follow trade thing. So if you're outside the United States, it's Revan W77, and you can see what my trades are on crypto. Okay, so this is producing, and what you're going to watch for is, well, let's go to the 15-minute first. Well, let's use this one over here. I am going to go take a walk, guys. I got to get locked in. Okay, 1 hour clear. You're watching. Okay, 33 to 40. Okay, 15-minute. Here's your, your reversal, your tweezer. Yeah, same thing, 40. Boy, they have a lot of resistance right here. Look at this. Just looking at the 1 hour. Look at this. Here's our boy, though. Look at our boy still co-kicking it in the parking lot on his 5.0 Mustang. I can't grab this thing. What is the deal? Here, we'll just do that. That's stupid. All right, I'm going to go take a walk. I want to see, and here's why. I want to see what they do with this level, right? Breakthrough, flag, slow it down. Okay, we've got 1 minute till the opening bell. I'm going to avoid the FOMO. Mr. Peter, Mr. OG, Mr. OG Peter. What's up, buddy? FOMO walk. I'll be right back, fam. I think they take it higher, but do they sweep first or not? I'll be right back, fam. All right, there's the big volume bar. There's the node. Okay, 1,400 times. And then 2,300 times. Oh, yeah, we got some volume now. Let's go. Yeah, we got volume coming in here, fam.
Order submitted.
Anyone short? Canceling orders. I'll be right back. I'm still here. Just give me a second here. I got to take my jacket off and stuff. And I got to put the lucky threes back on, fam. Come on now. He just bought right through that 38. Okay, remember 40 to 42 in the larger time frames. And where did we get stuck? Oh, yeah. 40.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, I'll see you on the other side, fam. It's time to lock in. Metallica going bye-bye. I caught that trade out with Metallica. I caught it on 4 or 5 accounts, whatever that number is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sweet. Here we go. Lock in. By fire with fire. By fire with fire. By fire with fire. By fire with fire. Okay. Goodbye. I'll see you guys here in just 2 seconds. Well, I'm still here. Just going to turn the cam off. Turn the lights off. So now, Elijah, here's how we're going to use the light, right? The new light. So I don't have to have all of these lights on. You were talking about my t-shirt, by the way, Elijah. Here we go. Remember, 6940 was the number we were watching, and they found liquidity up here. All right, the level we're watching right now is 37.75 and 40. Wow. Lots of volume on the opening bar above 69.40. So, did they distribute?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Doink. Thank you. Thank you for 4 points. Holy shit. It actually gave me... You guys are going to like this one. Are you ready? Ready? Okay, you got it. Not yet. We're still playing. Hold on. The game... I got a good tape. I got a good card count. Listen, get on the same blackjack table as me. Okay, the count is where? You don't even have to type it in. Yeah. We'll get to cheers here in a second. Holy shit, it's just so full. Yeah. Okay, now, 38 to 40. If you listen, if we break, somebody just got absorbed so hard, right? Oh. Damn, he's good. I was one of the 58, not one of the 103.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Boom. Just like that. Thank you, dear. Love you. Just like that, fam. Just like that. I think I could have got more. Oh, yeah, that was shite. I could have got another 3 points. 3 points. You see how we're just playing the old bing, bing, bong, bong at 6940? Okay, listen, when someone pops in 2,900 contracts, okay, you're watching that guy, not the guys playing grab ass, okay? Okay, we're at the midpoint. 43 half. Don't ask me what midpoint. I just drew a box and that's at the... All right, ask me that. All right, ask me. Okay, so the answer is I just drew a box. No, I'm kidding. It's all the opening volume. All the opening, what it looks like as supply to me. But that doesn't mean it's going to go down, right? It just means that, like, they traded supply side. Yeah, I mean, demand was met, I guess is what I mean to say, okay? So now what we're doing is just waiting for our business, right? Anyone long from 40 with a stop of around 30, I don't know, 34 to 33? Listen, you can't play no pussy stops right now, right? You need to scale down into the micros if you can't handle a 7-point stop. I'm not playing with you, okay? I'm going to take your money if you try to run a 2-point stop right now. I'm going to smoke you like a pack of cigarettes. I'm going to take your stop on a leg sweep, okay? And then I'm going to do the Chinese headbutt. Yep, that's right. After I slap chop your nuts. Even if you don't have them, you'll go buy them at the store. Pistachio. Green nuts. Like the Grinch. Ah, see where we're going? All right, so now look at your delta still rising, right? You've got a buyer. Look, you bought all you can eat at 40s again, right? As we know, we've played it. We've played it twice. Look at him. Look, fam, look at him. Okay, that's your over-under. Stop playing around, dog. Okay, now 45 could be absorption or acceptance, right? Now, I want to be clear that the game plan, everything that you guys have in the game plan is what I'm basing all of this off of. I hope you understand. We're on to the bigger algorithm, right? So learn the 100 levels, right? Which is the KISS chart, the 8, the 20, the 200, the VWAP, Keltner channels. learn the basic setups, right? How green overtakes red, red overtakes green. Okay. And then what I want you to do is I want you to put volume into the in as many cross sections as you can. Okay, you got a lot of this is a big moment right here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Watch at 45.
Order canceled.
Thank you. I only took that in one of the 1, 2, 3. The one of the 57 million accounts that I have. Folks, Apex, use the code SageFT at checkout or click the link. I just took a short. I just took a tape count short from 47.25 to 45. See the tape count right here? Right here. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to give you a secret. Now, since I know you pay attention, Luce. Okay, you've got this guy, okay, and then you've got you've got this whole thing right here. Okay, once you see it kind of stop, okay, you go, well, can he backfill it? Boom, backfilled it. Backfill. Look, we backfilled right to it. Boom. I could have got another freaking 3 points. Because that's the perfect time for you to take profit, right? If you see this aggressive buyer, every price, what's the bigger algorithm likely to do on a break? Absorb, right? Take profit, show supply, become the liquidity. That's the answer. Audience participation when I ask. Remember, in 2026, what did you change? Slant, sit in front, lean forward, ask questions, nod your head, take notes. Mm-hmm. Now, will I go long if I get a signal? Well, we're going to see. It depends on what the delta's doing. It depends on whether we're above or below this yesterday's high. 40 is a big number. Mucho skis, mucho skis.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Did they get back to 40 on that big node? That'd give me a 41 entry. One tick Rick. One tick Rick. That's rude. I'm in the evals in this one. Completed business at 1/4. 45 would have been my target. I still have my mouse on it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, buy stopping
Order
44.75.
filled.
What? Oh, 44.75. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Order submitted.
46.75 out. 46.75. 46.75. Out.
Order filled.
Okay, out, out. Plus 2 on 6. On 7. Plus 2 on 7. Okay. Buyer coming in. Okay, he just bought 45, so all you can eat.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
47, 47, 47. 42.50 stop. Big buyer. Does he get swallowed? I have a stop underneath this bar for one car. Well, 1 times 7. $47, $47, $47.
Order filled.
Canceled.
Order canceled.
Got it. He owns 2,500 more at 45. So basically, he's fucking saying we're going up.
Order submitted.
Did I just wait too long? I just waited a fraction of a second too long.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hey, remember we had that huge peppering of buyers at the last move above 45.25? Well, they're doing it again. Let's see if they absorb it.
Order can. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Can I get 6,000 chicken fajitas?
Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Come on, chasers. Come on, chasers.
Order filled. Order filled.
Flat. Flat, and I'm going to go take a walk because I just made a fortune. Matter of fact, let's do some cheers and sneers and sneersons. Let's cheers it up. Let's cheers it up to making a fortune, right? Let's cheers it up to this thing's going higher, right? I'm out because that's my rules, right? If I feel the FOMO, I close it up. I was too heavy. I literally had 1 million contracts. All right, let's freaking get him up in the air. Hold on a second. I kind of got a little BGs on that one, folks. That was a little thick. Okay. All right. I got a good cheers today. Are we ready? All right. All right. First of all, we're gonna cheers to Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Okay. Now, hold on. Elijah, are you here? Everybody, hold on a second. Cheers to McFarlane, right? Now, hold on. Hold on 1 second. It's good. This thing is going to go higher. Your targets are here. Let me give you all the targets. Look. I'm waiting for Elijah to answer. Okay. Here's all your targets. Okay. Now, check this out. Yeah, hold on. I'll show you the targets. Okay. Now, cheers to Spider-Man. Okay, now. Show you guys something, and I got a present for somebody. Okay. All right. Here's what we got. You guys see these? Now, I've got one. Look. In the bag that it came in. Look, watch this. This gets better, though. Hold on. It gets better. So the bag is in the bag. The bag is in the bag. There was three or four different covers of this one. Okay. Still got the price tag on it. $1.75. I paid $4 for it. Okay, ready? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to give this one to Elijah. You can look up what it's worth. It's in almost mint condition. It's never been opened. I would say close to mint. Centered well. Todd McFarlane. Okay, it's not the gold one. It's not the silver one. Okay, but it is this one. We're going to give this one to Elijah for the help, guys. This one's for Elijah. Okay. And what we're gonna do, see, we got the cheers, we got the shirt, we got the see. We're gonna give a cheers to Elijah. We're gonna give a cheers to Spider-Man. And we're gonna give a cheers to swinging the bat hard on your A setups. Elijah, we'll leave it here in the office so we don't have to pay the VAT and all that. We'll leave it here. Okay. It's yours. For real. I have one of them that's in a bag. That's yours. Okay? That wink wasn't just kidding. That wink was because you're my boy. All right, everybody, let's cheers it up to those three things. Process over profit. It's going to be a cheers. You guys can look up what it's worth. And think about what's going to be worth to his children, because you know he's not going to sell it. That'd be stupid, right? If he needs the money, that money now, I'll give him the money. He doesn't. So, cheers to everybody. I just made a fortune. I do have to walk away for a second here. Yeah. We just racked it. I know you won't. I know you won't sell it. It's not for. It's. I've got number 1, 2, and 3, right? So I'll just show you guys this because this is really cool. Remember this? Remember this in the movie? Remember when remember when the guy, the good-looking guy with the blonde hair and the big nose turns into the alligator, right? Remember? So we got 2 of those, right? Okay, and then we've got what happens right after that, right? Which is the movie, I believe, the one right after that, or the next one that's coming out, right? Look at that bad boy, McFarlane. That's your artist, right? That's who you want. Okay, so then here's the silver edition, unbagged, and then here's the one that I gave Elijah unbagged. So he has the bagged one. See, his has the big one right here, right? So that's. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. I'll be right back. You've got blue. Attention, Sage FT shoppers. You've got blue paint special. Careful though. Careful. Watch your 5175 here. Look, he just went 1,800 times. Look at him. Okay, now if it goes straight through it, okay, and it goes straight through 47, watch yourself. Let's go, guys. Great job, everybody. $52 over under. I want to see 40 again.
Order filled.
Oops. I meant to do a sell stop. 53.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Overpower. 40.
Order submitted.
You have a cluster of VPOCs at 4650. 45 is the actual number I'm looking for. Sorry about that. Justice is done. Seeking no truth. Winning is all. Fighting so grim, so true, so real. And if I get a blue, I have one contract in one account, not one contract in 7 accounts. One contract in one account. I don't know what the actual stop is. $50 something.
Order submitted.
Back to 52. Until we go 52.49 or
Order filled.
52.55.
Order submitted.
We pay. I don't know if he is or not, Mr. Chad. And if I'm going to go long, I'll close the short and then go long because you can't hedge in different accounts. Now, blue is still in play. Your target is 59.50.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, good. All right. Nibble a little long. So minus a couple ticks on that trade.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay, make good, Phil. Oh, good. Oh, good. Carry on. I love it when a Phil gets good. They're going to let them keep selling to open below it. Okay, we need the delta to punch. Look at the delta, plus 24,000.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I was too slow. I hit the wrong button. Oh my God. 52 is my target. No. No. Oh my God, it downticked. No, that was so obvious. Oh, no. If you play the sounds back on the VOD, you'll see one fraction of a second later, I hit the wrong button. Oh man. That was that literally just costed me $800 of missed profit. It was from 50 to 52. 48 stop. Oh, a couple of the accounts. No, still long. But I was going to add a 50 with a 48 stop, and then I ended up putting the stop at the target at the wrong place and too late. Excuse me, the entry at the wrong place and too late. Perfectly trappy to the upside. Yep. Look at your Deltonius. Look at your deltoids. Look at your Deltius Maximus, sir. And the reading of it as well, please. Thank you. Now, I did add a 5175. Following the tape, 52s. So now, am I foolish for not taking it off here because it's 1 to 1? And then you're watching anything under 48. Now, what a fail to me would look like is absorption. Rejection, however you want to look at it. But now let's say somebody comes in, it pops to 54.50, and I'm just making this up, right? I'm just making numbers. And it shows like 3,000 contracts traded on the offer. Okay, the next move is the actual move. He's like, oh, more at 52? All right.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
You crappy filler.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, if it drops, it adds at 46. If it gets through 50. 48's your over under hard. Lots of supply on the uptick here. Do they keep it going like that? Trappy McCree. Trap right into a chalupa. Please. A leg sweeping chalupa. Okay, the over under is 50. Big round number. Yep. Chalupa. Now it's 49.75 by tape. And then 52. Print me. Okay, it printed 51. Hello? 2 contracts at 51? I don't think so. Uh-uh. Okay, lots of bids and offers coming through here. Lots, even though it's not trading. I mean, it's trading, but okay, lots of bids and offers coming through here on the DOM. It's it's speeding up. The tape isn't really speeding up, but the bids and offers are. Next big bar of the delta is going to be the decision here. He buys okay, he buys 50.75 all you can eat.
Order canceled.
There it goes. There it goes. Okay, here's your 52s or lack thereof.
Order submitted.
All right, their first reaction is to sell the 52 or pull the bid, actually. It's quite the imbalances. What the fuck is that noise? Okay, NQ is trying to do something to the upside, isn't it? They just sold, so what are we going to do here? Hmm. 52 by 49.75 over under. Elijah, it was some sort of alert in Tradevate, I think. I don't remember what though. Yeah, it's something that I set. I know that. And I remember that you can only choose certain sounds, which I thought was really stupid. They're starting to lean into this bid here. If we don't get it pumping soon, it's going to stop me. In one of my accounts, I have a stop at 48. And then all the other ones, I am long with a full blue because I can always re-enter. $52 by 49.75. Wow, just like we said, look, we got 2 completed businesses there at 49.75. Now we want to either break it and just barely touch it and rip, okay, and or we being the longs because I am long. or just not go anywhere near it and just go to 50 million. Okay, it gets jumpy at 52. Decision. Come on. Put a what is it? Get a hitch in your step. Run along, little doggies. Run along, little doggies. We don't like that big bubble up there at the top. That's got to go straight through 55 right now. Come on, act like you're going to sell. Do it. Fake them out. Show huge volume. Do it. Do it. Y'all better act like you know. This market ain't playing. Oh, wait. Maybe this market playing. Oh boy.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
My PA stopped to 50-50 as well, because I don't really want it going through these yellow bubbles.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Exit at 55 on the leg sweep for me. That's just because that just makes sense. 54.75. I hate to do it, but I got no choice. I got to go with the tape. So it's going to be a weak. So I'll have to move the target up here, or the stop up here in a second. 51.75. Yeah, that actually lines up.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
$54.75, $58.75. $51.75, 50-50. Add it. 46. And you want it to smoke right through 54.75. You want it to just like it don't exist, like it was never there. Not like that. Not like that. Come on, Puneroni. What were you doing? What was that? Come on. There we go. Come on. Hey. 03 is the game. Yeah, NQ. So here's the deal. You have a big Michael Bublé on the 5. You have on the NQ. You don't want the next big bar to be red. And if it's big green, that means bottom. It means they own them. And yes, I do have 2 stops on this trade because I did pull my stop up on the sweep. Yes, that's confirmed, sir.
Order filled.
Wait, now that it stopped me on one of the contracts, yes, now it's going to.
Order canceled.
Maybe I shouldn't have moved my stop down, but that's okay. I didn't need that much risk on. My stop, I'm not moving it because it's part of the blue trade, but it's in a perfect place to start adding. Oh man, what was that? This is NQ. There's too long in this bar. Oh Lord, someone's gonna get hurt on this bar, and it's not gonna be me, but it's gonna be somebody. There's too much time in this bar for it to just be just a clean little smoochy. Hello. Unfortunately, my stop was hit at 175 on 1 on my leg sweep. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Because okay, there's your almost 475s. Okay. So we needed to push right through. So far we got a seller. Go. Shawshank Redemption. I have to go 2R. I got to go 6150 on that trade. So we have 5950 and 6150, 5875, 5950 and 6150 above. There's no way it goes there. Zero, zip zero, stingy with De Niro. Poor faves. Go right through it. Everybody wave. Come on. Shank Redemption. Chicago. I moved my stop up prematurely. Out of context, not out of context, out of yes, but Ninja Trader's not, Elijah. Not out of context, out of sequence, out of process. So yeah, it's just our noises that we're hearing, right? It's just the Ninja Trader. The Trader Bait sounds kind of scuffed. You guys like that word? Yeah. Yeah. Just because I'm 48 years old and bald doesn't mean I don't know cool words. That's scuffed, bro. Okay. 700 at 60. 700 at 60. Wait. 666 at 69.60. Get the fuck out of here. Stop. I can't. You can't make this snot up. Okay, there's the buyer. Do they snuff him? There's the buyer. Do they snuff him?
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
55 by 52 and 54.75. So 54.75 low side, 56.75 high side, 52 extreme low, 48 extreme extreme. My stops will stop me at 53.75.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Got him. We got him this time. You make sure all of your stops are up. Be careful here. Delta is still rising, but Delta can rise into supply. Remember, 60 had 700 offered. It still has about 200.
Order submitted.
Taking one off of my extras at 675. I had an odd
Order
amount.
canceled.
I had an odd amount in one of my my trailing accounts, as you can see there. Now I have the right amounts in each one. We don't want it under 54, not one tick, because 54.75 is supposed to be our floor. Right? And if they keep selling 56.75, we don't want to be in that auction to the downside. We want to be out of it. Come on. Tails, tails, tails. Long-tailed cats in a rocking chair, a room full of rocking chairs. Who cares? Let's go. They're leaning. They're leaning. Get out of there. They're leaning. 53.75 is my stop on everything.
Order filled.
Okay, out. That was great.
Order canceled.
We can always re-enter. Was my stop too close? Maybe. Oh, and sorry. Here, I'll get it. Oh, go ahead. Can you reach it? Yeah, I can get it right here. There you go. Yeah, that was fun. I may I may or may not have moved my stop up twice too quickly, right? The first one at 51.75, right, which did hit full leg sweep Danielson. All right, folks, that's going to do it. I didn't realize what time it was. We'll switch on over to x.com. You can find us at this link here. Follow us over there. We've got so much material coming out that a review, maybe. Let it breathe. Let it breathe. I will be trading for a little bit. I'm not leaving here till about 2:30 p.m. So I'll see everybody. I'll see everybody on X. I'll see everybody on the Discord. Why, Elijah? How come it doesn't do the second one until I do it again?